What you want, 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 what you want. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel thebcosmi. Please subscribe to my channel for some amazing videos. So today we are doing classic smoky eyes. We'll start with eye primer. This is by Etude House and this is my cult favorite. I use this all the time before doing eye makeup and it turns out to be beautiful. So I'll apply it all over my lids and gently spread it and blend with my fingers. Now with my Sigma E40 blending brush, this brush is very nice, very soft and absolutely luxurious. I'll take this light brown shade from my Viseart Dark Mattes palette and put it on my crease. Now putting this color on my crease will create a certain sort of depth and will give a very nice, very different and radiant effect to my eyes. I'll add like 2 coats. You can go as dark as you want, but one thing that should be there is blending, very nice blending. Now next with my E25 blender brush, again by Sigma. This kind of brush is particularly to add a single color, a dark color at a particular place. So I'll take the darkest color, the dark brown color, and put it right in my crease. No up, no down, just in my crease, and then blend sidewards with this brush. Next with a blending brush, I'll blend both of the colors together so that there is effect from dark to light. That is what smoky eye is all about. With my E40 brush, I'm going to blend both the shades together. And next I'm going to take my gel liner by Croylon. This is in the shade Ebony. You can use your kajal or any other gel or cream liners. Liquid liner won't work. I'll put this like a liner. Now you don't have to be precise or take care of minute angles and points, because at the end of the day we are going to blend everything upwards. With a strong and stiff blending brush or a dome brush, blend everything upwards and just blend till the crease cut, and towards the crease cut spread everything upwards, sidewards, so that there is effect from dark to light. Next I will take my Morphe 35B palette, and on this flat eyeshadow brush I'm going to take black shadow. You can use any black shadow and place it on your lid, dab it on your lid and go just till the crease. Rather I would say a little bit lower than the crease, and then diffuse the color in crease and upwards. Use the blending brush. I'm using my E40 and other diffuser brush by BH Cosmetics, and keep blending till you get the desired result like this. And then for the waterline, I'm going to apply my gel liner only. You can use your kohl or anything. Make sure that none of your skin is showing from waterline, because then it will pop out. It will look very different and odd. So after this I'm going to take a bullet brush like this. I'm using my Morphe, and then blend the gel liner below my waterline or my lash line very nicely. Then taking this dark brown shade that I used on my crease down also, so that there is similarity between the upper lid makeup and the lower lash line makeup. I'm going to clean all the fallout very nicely and do my base. I'm using my favorite LA Girl foundation and my Sigma brush. Till the time you don't complete your full makeup, eye makeup won't pop out. I'll put a nice good highlight. I'm using Artist Couture Cocoa Bling, and finally put a very nude shade. That's my personal choice. I like nude shades with smoky eyes. And finally the makeup will come out to be like this. Now you can apply your false lashes if you like, if you want some extra drama. I didn't want it, so I didn't apply it, but that's all your personal choice. I hope you really like this. Please subscribe to my channel, share with the video and comment too. Thank you so much for watching.